Hi all, Keith here. Welcome to the video. This is going to be our top 5 quick service restaurants at Disney's Magic Kingdom. Quick disclaimer before we get too deep though, we're defining quick service as anywhere where you can get like a meal. So that would exclude places like Aloha Isle, Cheshire Cafe, or any of the standalone carts. We would consider those more snacks anyway. We're going to do our top 5 list just a little bit different than everyone else and just hit the highlights of each restaurant. Because who's got time to go over the entire menu? Let's see if we can do this in 2 minutes or less. We'll start the timer right after the intro, so let's get into it. Roll that intro. At number 5, we have Sleepy Hollow. You'll love this place because it has some iconic food here, like the funnel cake or the waffle sandwiches. I personally like the sweet and spicy chicken waffle sandwich, but they also have a really good footlong corn dog here too. Try it with an iced Joffrey's coffee. At number 4, we have Pecos Bill Tall Tale Inn Cafe. You'll love this place because they have a great fajita platter here and that toppings bar. Oh my gosh. I personally love the nachos here and head over to that topping bar and load them up with as much stuff as I possibly can. Don't forget to add the churros to your order. At number 3, we have Pinocchio Village House. You'll love this place because they have some amazing flatbread pizzas here, but my favorite is the meatball sub. They have a fun little window into Small World where you can hold up signs to the riders down there and it says things like smile, wave. It's so much fun. Insider tip though, get the blue raspberry slush. There's a reason it has almost a cult following. At number 2, we have Cosmic Rays. You'll love this place because they have everything from hot dogs to burgers to chicken to plant-based options, so they have something for everyone. The toppings bar here is awesome. Also, it has our favorite intergalactic musician, Sunny Eclipse. And our number 1 quick service restaurant at the Magic Kingdom is Columbia Harbor House. You'll love this place because they have my favorite sandwich of all, the lobster roll. The restaurant may seem small, but head upstairs and you'll find lots more seating and great views of Liberty Square. They also have salads and chicken here for people that don't like seafood. But if you do like seafood and you have a huge appetite, try the trio platter with the fried shrimp, the chicken, the fish, the hush puppies, and get it with fries. You'll be stuffed to the end of the day. Woo! How'd we do? Did we make it? Make sure you stick around and catch another video. We'd really appreciate it. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe if you're not already. Also, if you like this video and you want to support the channel, that'd be awesome. Head over to our Ko-fi page. I'll pop it up right here. You can head over there and drop us a tip. We'd really appreciate it. It's also linked below. Alright everyone, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.